What is anti-federalist? Anti-federalists are those persons or those political personalities who opposed a strong central government in US. So that's why they opposed the ratification of the Constitution of US in 1787. That's why they are called anti-federalists. But Federalists are those political personalities who were in favor of a strong central government. So, this difference between anti Federalists and Federalists is clear, or still there is any confusion? I am repeating this concept. Anti-federalist is a person who is in opposition to the ratification of the new constitution in 1787, and anti-federalists opposed a strong central government. Rather, they were demanding maximum autonomy for the states, for the regions. But Federalists were not in favor of a weak central government. Rather, they supported this idea to create a strong central government in US through constitution. Take care. Allah Hafiz.